Hey guys, with me Nithya. There is more to life than work. There is more to life than work. A hobby is a great outlet to relieve tension. That is why I developed a few hobbies like crochet, macrame, jewelry making, and even gardening for that matter as well. In today's video, we will check out how to make this beautiful earrings. Isn't it pretty? Coming up. In this session, we will learn how to make this beautiful wire wrapped earrings. The supplies you're gonna need are bail making pliers, round nose pliers, cutters, nylon jaw pliers, 18 gauge wire. This is a half heart craft wire, also available online. .26 gauge wire, higher the gauge, thinner the wire. 4mm beads 2 numbers, 2mm beads 4 numbers, and a measuring tape. First, take 2 wires of length 17 cm each. Hold both the wires and with the help of round nose pliers make a small loop. Tweak it a bit until you get the desired shape. Again, hold both the wires and make the second loop in clockwise direction, having the middle point of your nose pliers as reference. Always adjust it a bit for the perfect desired shape and make sure both the wires are similar. Now make the third loop using the bottom point of your pliers as reference. For the fourth loop, I am using a 6-step bail making plier. You can always use any other tool like pencil or a paintbrush to make the loop. Discard the extra pieces by using the cutter. Repeat the same for the other earring as well. The second part is wrapping. This part is self-explanatory, so just keep watching. Feel free to hit the pause button to observe keenly.
Repeat the same for the other earring. Finally, to make the eyelet earrings, take 2 pieces of 18 gauge wire measuring 4 centimeters each. Hold both the wires and with the help of round nose pliers make a small loop. Place the wires over a pencil and make a U-shaped bend. Turn the ends slightly. Open the loop with the help of your round nose pliers and hang your earrings. You can also file them so that the edges are not sharp.
Hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching. Please leave your feedbacks and comments below. See you again in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.